Hey up guys, I think I'm gonna find a better starting screen than this soon. Especially since I kind of plan on streaming a lot more now. But yeah, no, you all saw the title. Minehut is okay again. So we're going to Poba. I just need to eat first. And start up the server. Sorry, not sorry. And we are here. Whoa, there we are. Yeah, it's nighttime. Hello everyone! Welcome to PobaSMP. Let's see, we need to find a fitting. This one is beautiful. No. This one? No. This one. Welcome back to PobaSMP, guys. Pooba. Oh, we have another one? Oh, we do. Did I trade with them? Yes. Okay. Ben, alright, so I was in here like a bit ago and yeah, no, we're just gonna wait a bit more before we actually start the stream. It's gonna be a very short stream though, but like I might stream later today as well. We're doing the bits and chunks of things. Let's see. Image, what can I put up? Starting screen? Question mark? Okay. Browse. What do we have? Yeah. Oh. I mean, I have a lot of pictures. Yeah, like screenshots. What? No screenshots. What the fuck? I can. I can find some little Minecraft. Maybe I have some Minecraft screenshots that I wanna. Oh, I do have enough screenshots. That's for sure. With shaders, actually. What the fuck? Oh, they're the. Yay! There they are. Yeah. Okay. So this is my starting screen now. PobaSMP starting screen. This one. Let's go. Okay, and now I will put on the. No, not this one. Oh, so it is visible? It's just behind everything. There we go. Like that. Yeah. No, I'll be right back. Yeah. Hello guys. I am back, we're back. We're gonna do a bit of Minecraft, a bit of PobaG. We're gonna get we have okay, so it's been like months since last time we were in the server. So now we're gonna do a bit of stuff. Also, I harvested a lot of stuff, so we have a lot of potatoes and stuff. Look, and seeds. Jesus. So yeah, and I started building a bit on there because it looks ugly. Anyways, luckily I have my book and quill, and it says that we are gonna get a squid named Hurricane Boom because they're squiddy, and one of the viewers that has been most faithful to me through this. Let's see here if I can get the chat up properly. Boop. Yo, Wither Steve. Nice. How are you? How are you, man? How are you? If you're still there. You're not. Okay, well. Oh! You are? What? The stream is lying to me. That's good. It's good that you're good, bro. Okay, let's see here. Noise. So. What we're gonna do right now, we're gonna find slime so we can make leash. So we can steal a squid from the ocean. That is what we'll do. That is what we'll do. Because we have string, but we do not have the goods. Also, I have a diamond pickaxe apparently that I kind of want not to lose. So, let's see here. It's very bright outside all of a sudden. The sun is fucking me over. Oh, 5, nice. Why what? The squid? Let's see. Well, we'll take in the squid because of one of the viewers that's been here the most. They always text with a squid emoji or something like that. So we're gonna name that squid Hurricane Boom. It's gonna be honorable squid. Wait, it's fucking nighttime. No, I ain't. Wait, what? Oh, huh. It was like as if I was going slower on the wet grass. Interesting. Yes. Okay, now. What we'll do is we're gonna find a swamp. I have no idea where a swamp could be, but look. I think it's Jeffrey. I'm not sure. Let me see. Yeah, no, I think it's Jeffrey and Jennifer. And they're siblings. Nice. Jesus Christ, we're gonna do no. Okay, so there's just a lot of birch. I don't know what I think about a lot of birch. Oh, thanks, bro. Thanks for the follow. We're in bedrock, you know. Yeah, no, that would be a bit terrible. I agree. Even though they have like, I don't know. Yeah, they have cool like armor armor thingies, you know? Where you put armor. All right. Yeah. Do you put armor? They have like cool those things because they do things. They have arms too, so you can put swords and shit there. And make poses, which is kind of fun. Valid. Is it like really late at yours, where you are in the world, bro? yeah. We're gonna have some chill vibes. I say right now, but I don't know. Let's see. We can probably go this way. This is gonna be a long journey, isn't it? Fuck. Fucking hell, man. What do I have? Okay, I have my water MLG clot. Okay. I still have my diamond pickaxe. No. I ain't going anywhere with my diamond pickaxe. Holy shit, it's my god. It's my little child. I need to protect it at all costs. It has Fortune 3. It needs mending. Look at it. It's so lonely without mending. Holy shit, we need mending. 10 p.m. Ooh. That's like 10 in the evening, yeah? Me still not knowing that whole system. Jesus. Let's see. Yeah. I was supposed to put the thing. Yoink. Then we have iron. I mean, I guess I can just leave that. No. What if we find like? Okay, so what? Diamonds. But then I would want fortune. I'll just note down any chords if we find diamonds. Some miraculous way. Let's see. So basically, what else do we have? We have our book. Maybe we want to leave our book at home. Now that I think about it. Let's see, where could I put it? Here? Yes. What does this do? Do I have anything in this? No, I just made it. Okay, well. Nice. Nice, I guess. Okay, fine. Okay. Okay. Maybe I can make like a newspaper shop or something. I'm going to make a railroad through the tunnel there until the actual village. Let's see, what was I thinking? Oh yeah, trip. We're going on a walk. Ah! Fuck. We're going on a walk. Also, I'm only streaming it for like... not too long. This is not going to be a long stream, it's going to be a really short one. But I'll make one later as well. Which will probably be like in the middle of the night for you. With your sleep. But you can watch it in the morning. Yay! Watch replay. Watch the VOD on YouTube. Good stuff. Yes, we killed a pig. Killed a pig and move on. Killed a pig, move on. Shall I try the thing? Ah! Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Should probably have gotten a horse for this. I mean, what if I find a horse now? You know? I never know. You never know. Are there squids around here? Do I not have to go down to the ocean? Oh, what the that's a ravine. Time to get water breathing, everyone. Okay. Yoink. Ta-ta-ta. There's cows. There are many cows. There is one cow. There are many cows. Yoink. Leather. We like leather. Always leather. Leather cool and fun. We like leather. Leather is awesome. Yoink. Come here. Come here. Cordero. No, wait, that's wrong. Vaca, vaca. Vaca. Vamos? Okay, I still need to learn my way through that language. Learn my way. So we have pumpkins here. Let's go. You're very vulnerable. You should get armor. Yeah. I should. But will I? But will I? Probably not. You know what that is the definition of? Being an idiot. Like, actually. Knowing something and not doing that something. That's that's idiotic. So we have spruce biome, and then we have birchwood biome over there. What the fuck? Can I just please get my swamp in peace? You know, now I missed a flat world. I'm doing like a... yeah. I'm doing like a flat world challenge in survival. There's a squid. I can get in a boat, can't I? It will die then, right? It needs fucking water. It needs friggin' water. Let's see, how long is it? I can't even see it. Okay. Well, we'll continue. We'll continue. Could have made a boat for myself as well, but oh well. Oh, there's a cow. I will not kill it. I will not waste my time on cows now, but later. Again, just say if like the music becomes too noisy or something compared to my voice. Because it is really straining when people are trying to talk to you and then music suddenly just be like, hey, 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 how about me, look, listen. Ah. You know, it's kind of shocked, it's kind of scuffed, it's kind of... whatever else you have for a bed. Mm-hmm. More spruce? Are you kidding? Yeah. Oh, I don't even know where the general direction of home is. It's that way, right? Yeah, basically. Okay. Oh, I thought it was like a pariah or something, but that doesn't exist in vanilla Minecraft. Do you have to sail and everything? Do I have to like get a sailboat? It doesn't even exist in Minecraft. How can I possibly get a sailboat? A boat. Bote. Oh my god. That is a cool place. Do I have torches with me? Okay, I have 4. How awesome! Perfect! Awesome! Nice. Okay. Bam, bam, ba-dum, ba-dum, bam. Maybe that's why I die all the time, because I never have armor on in my games. Oh! Are you Irish, ma'am? No. I'm not Irish. Do I sound Irish? Can I guess where you're from, lol? Oh yeah, guess. Go on, try. Yoink. Ooh. I guess we'll have to camp here for the night anyways. And I do not have a bed with me. What the fuck kind of stupid person would not get a bed with them? Let's see, what will I lose if I die? Not too much. Ah! Okay. Excuse me? Sir? Sir, ma'am? Australian? No. Kind of. Lol, lol, lol. Beautiful, beautiful. I think I'm like a merge of all accents I've ever heard. But yeah, continue guessing. This is gonna be so fun. Continue guessing. Oh, jeez. Wait, there's iron. Okay, well now I will lose something if I die. Okay, you know what? We're gonna make a little house here. Okay? Listen. We're gonna make this in 2 seconds, bro. In 2 fucking seconds. Okay, wait. Look. Hold on. First of all, we'll chop down a bit. Oh, and there's a skeleton down there. Skeleton, you can just mind your own business. Doesn't that sound good? She must be, Australian, continent, hint. Okay, continent, Europe. Canadian? No. This is so fun. Continue. Yeah. Okay. So, continent, Europe. Boom. You have your hint. Frick. Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of fricky. Okay. How's this going? Let's go. Ah! Skeleton, shut the fuck up. Skeleton, no. No. Por favor. No. Okay. Okay, England, British, UK, I mean, Germany? None of those. I'm not from there. I don't even have blood there. Oh! What the fuck? Excuse me, I kind of want to go up now. I don't like it. Okay. What the fuck? Must be Spain. She said, por favor. It's not Spain. I just have Spanish classes. So I'm trying to practice the language as much as possible. Oh, and I watched PobaSMP. Ah! Spanish then? No. I'm not Spanish. And I'm not lying either. I would send you my ID card, but no, I wouldn't. Ah! Come on. There we go. Swag. Oh shit. There's more? Hello? How much is there here? I forgot to make my wall. Wait a second. Jesus. Ah. Oh crap, I forgot. Bro went too far. Oof. That's in South America. Brazil? Oh. Oh. No. Not Italy either. Not Brazil. Certainly not Brazil. This is so this is so. I wonder if it would even be like possible to guess where I'm from, because it's so like I don't think anyone talks about it kind of thing. So and also there's not much like accent from the actual country in my English at the moment. I can switch to the accent, but it's again like when you have another language that's not English as your first language, and then that's also another hint, by the way. Latvia, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Greece. No, are you gonna go through all the? No, I'm not from those countries. Shit. Oh. No. You really don't have to shoot me, man. You really don't have to shoot me. Oh, Norway! Wither Steve, you got it! Even though it seems like you're going through the whole list of Europe at the moment. You did get it. Norway. My actual accent would be like this, but it's kind of cringe. So I don't do the accent. Oh god, ain't no way, yes, wait. Yes. Good job, guys. You both were really good at guessing and finding your way. Oh fuck! Finding your way through this little quiz, this little thing, little challenge. Guess I'm gonna just keep mining in here then, since that skeleton is very hostile towards me. Okay, well. Oh, I didn't take that thing with me, and I lack wood right now. Oh, well, okay. She fooled us, for real. Oof. Did I fool you? Dory, thank you for the follow. Thank you for the follow, bro. Thanks. Okay, let's see. Is the skeleton making its way towards me? Do I want to kill it? There are 2 creepers down there. Maybe I don't. Voila! Voila! Okay, well, no. How about no? Let's see, what can we do here? We don't have enough stone to make a furnace either to cook some food. We do have coal, that's a good thing. We're kind of stuck here then. Yes, because I literally have a friend from Norway and they don't sound fluent like you. Like you do. I would never have guessed. Yeah. 1, cool. 2, thanks. I'm glad that I sound fluent in English. I would never have guessed. Yes. I'm mysterious Norwegian. Okay. With 101 accents. Jesus. No. Do not. Please. Please, I beg you, Scully. So you have a friend. Okay, wait. Do they live in the north, south, west, or east? El Mayo. Oh! I forgot I wasn't crouching. Oh no. It says. Oh no. Hello? They're walking down there. Okay, well. Tip, not. Oh. Please argue, you two. Please, just argue, okay? Good. Argue. There we go. They're legit shooting each other. Okay, now we just. Ooh. He exploded on the skeleton, right? So now there's. Okay, the skeleton is there, but it has less hearts now. Dory, can I guess where you're from? Whether that's a thing on Twitch, I think. Okay. Wait, okay. El mio mysterious Norwegian. Yes. Bro, your swears are censored for me. Wait. Like my swears? Are they? Dory, wait. Asia. Okay. Korea. Japan. Oh no, you probably have something that we don't know. India. I don't even know if that's a part of Asia. Guys, I have no... China. Okay, nope. Taiwan. Bangladesh. Isn't that a place in Africa? Or am I completely wrong right now? Do you have like a list up again? Did you even have a list up in the first place? Russia. Oh well, that's a kind of a part of, isn't it? Imagine being smart and taking wood with you when you travel. Jesus Christ. Imagine that. Oh well, we have a zombie as well. That's just perfect. Oh, it's up there too. Okay, well, I'm just gonna. It's coming around. It's coming around. Where is it? Where is it? I literally love those like subtitles when it's just standing that like, oh, you're here, grumbles. You don't know where though. Okay, nice. India's a part of Asia. Good. That I'm not all that noob about Asia. I'm just very smart. Nope, not Mongolia. But guys, I need to leave now to help make food. Cause my okay, wait. This is Norwegian lore. Because my little brother is having his confirmation. Konfirmasjon. Norwegian lore, let's go. So I need to help make food for it. Which means that I need to leave now. But I will stream either later today or tomorrow on the same server, same spot. If you want to tune in them. Philippines? Yo! We cousins! Yo! What province? Yo! So you're both Filipinian? Filipino. You're both Filipino? I just like how Evie is here supporting the two of us. Not Filipinian. No, I'm a different kind of breed. Yeah, I know. I'm Pipino. Pipino. Oh, Jesus. Okay, so Filipino. You're both Filipino, but kind of not? What the fuck? Wait, Filipino and Pipino. Okay. I'll have to end stream now though, so goodbye you two. I really hope you tune in for the next streams I'll have. You guys seem like a lot of fun. See ya, bye-bye.